students. Now the next topic is rounded off the numbers. So we rounded off the numbers according to the rules given here. So while rounded off the numbers, we should follow these three rules. Rule 1 is if the digit to the right of the given place is 5 or more than 5, then add 1 to the digit in the given place. Rule 2. If the digit to the right of the given place is less than 5, leave the digit in the given place as it is. Rule 3. Change all the digits to the right of the given place to 0. So you should follow all these three rules while rounded off the numbers. Now you will better understand with the questions. So the question is, round off the numbers to the nearest tens, hundreds and thousands. For this I have prepared a table. In this, numbers are written and these numbers would be changed into rounded off to tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s. Now, the first number is 19618. So we have to round it off this number to the tens place. It means we have to see the tens place digit, that is 1. Now, according to rule number 1, we see the right of the digit, right of this digit, that is 8. So this is greater than 5. So we add 1 to this digit, that becomes 2. And according to rule number 3, 8 becomes 0, because to the right of this tens place here is 1 digit and we have to change it into 0 because of rule number 3. So it is rounded off to the tens, 19,620. Now rounded off to hundreds. First see the hundreds place digit, that is 6, and also see the right of this digit, that is 1. Now 1 is less than 5 according to rule number 2. Therefore we should not add 1 to this digit, but we have to leave this digit as it is. Now according to rule number 3, all the digits right to this place becomes 0. So this becomes 0, tens place, and ones place is also 0. Now rounded off to thousands. So see the thousands place digit, that is 9. Now see the right of this digit, that is 6, and it is greater than 5. So according to rule number 1, we have to add 1 to 9. So it becomes 10 and 1 is added to this, therefore it becomes 2 and this becomes 0. And right of this digit, thousands digit, there are 3 digits, so they become 0. So 0, 0, 0. Now rounded off to 10,000s. See the 10,000 digit. So it is 1. To the right of this digit, it is 9, means it is greater than 5. So according to rule number 1, 1 is added to this digit, that becomes 2. And to the right of this digit, there are 4 digits. So we put 4 zeros. 0, 0, 0, 0. Therefore, we can change or rounded off the numbers according to the tens, hundreds, thousands and 10,000s. Next number is 13880. Now, for the tens rounded off to tens, see the tens digit, that is 8, and right to the digit is 0, that is less than 5. Therefore, we should not add 1 to this digit. We leave this digit as it is, means this is 8, and to the right of this we should write 0. So this number is rounded off to tens is as it is, 13,880. Rounded off to hundreds, see the hundreds digit, that is 8. To the right of this is again 8, which is greater than 5. So according to rule number 1, we should add 1 to this digit, 8. So it becomes 9. And to the right of this digit, we should put 2 zeros because there are 2 digits left. So 2 zeros. Now, rounded off to thousands. So we see the thousands place digits, that is 3. To the right of this digit is 8. It is greater than 5. So we add 1 to this digit, that is, it becomes 4. And to the right of this digit there are 3 digits. So we put 3 zeros. It becomes 14,000. Now next, rounded off to 10,000s. Rounded off to 10,000s. So see the 10,000s digit, that is 1. To the right of this is 3, that is less than 5. So according to rule number 2, we add 1 to it, 1 to this digit, that is so this is less than 5. So we should not add the digit 1 to this digit. So we leave this as it is. So it becomes 10,000. Now, these are also given the numbers. You have to write, change into tens, hundreds, thousands and 10,000.